Hi and welcome back to the polymer clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. So I'm going to transfer this from paper to polymer clay and I'm going to show you how I did it. So without further ado, here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So this is the show and tell part where I talk about it and show you how I made it. But before that, I'd love it if you would subscribe. There are many people that do watch my channel that aren't actually subscribed. I do have the metrics, and I would love it if you would support my channel so I can grow, and eventually in a few years time I would love to do this full time. So that is why I'd like you to subscribe. Anyway, moving swiftly on. Here is the hand. Now, I absolutely love doing this. It was really cool, but there were parts of it that I just didn't like. So these flowers at the top here that I liked, that I sort of covered up, I just didn't like them, and they weren't kind of what I wanted. So, and then I kind of smoothed these ones out here because, as I said, I don't know, I just didn't like them. So I got a little print from one of my other stamps, and I'm going to come at a shot here so you can see it in full. I just, you know, cut it out basically, used a different stamp, made it quite thin so it wouldn't stick out too much, and then right at the bottom there is another one that I did there as well. So I like doing this because it kind of makes it a bit of your own, and you kind of developed it into something that is more your own style. So again, I'm just going to show you up close the eye and everything. I wanted the eye to have some colour. I don't know why, I just thought it looked really cool. And then a little bit more around the outside there is the little triangles. I did them, I left the black as it is and then coloured in the gold. I just thought that was more effective. And then a bit more close up on the actual prints that I did as well. I am actually going to use this print again in one of my future videos because I absolutely love the whole thing, and I've got a really cool design for it, so I'm going to show you that in the future. I'm going to use the whole lot, and I'm going to use some of the techniques that I've learnt today in this video, but watch this space because it's going to be really cool. I've got a big list, and this has probably got to the top of the list because I absolutely love the idea. But it's a secret at the moment, okay? You've just got to tune in for another time. But anyway, this is how you create a Hamsa hand from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So I like doing this because it kind of makes it a bit your own. Oh yeah, the wig is hot. So I've started doing on my channel now, bringing I've forgotten. Cameras in the world, so it doesn't do it so it doesn't do it automatically for me. So what do you think of this? So I made all these little There's a storm coming, I think. And I just can't wait. It's too blooming hot here. Too blooming hot. Anyway. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So, I think I went out of submission there for a second. So I love doing this because it makes... Jesus Christ, the blooper's going to be long this time. So I like doing this because it kind of makes it a bit your own... And that was just awful. Awful. Wiggy wiggy. Ooh. So now I can eat my breakfast. What time is it? 5 to 4. 5 to 4. Breakfast time. Yum yum. Catch you later, peeps. Bye.